Here's how to control another Mac remotely. So the first step is to go to the Mac that you want to control, and then you just have to click on System Settings at the top. Now, after you do that, what you're gonna have to do is simply click on Search and then type in Remote. Now click on Sharing, and then from here we just have to enable this option which is called Screen Sharing. So enable this option and then click on the Information button. Now here we just have to enable these two options, and then here you just have to enter your password. Now select all users and then click on Done. Now, after we do that, we just have to go now to the other Mac that we want to use to control this Mac right here. On that Mac, we're gonna have to go to Apps and then search for Screen Sharing. So here, what we're gonna have to do is simply select all connections and then click on the plus button. Now we just have to enter the hostname. So basically, you'll find this right here. So on the other Mac, you just have to go back to Sharing, scroll down, and then enter this hostname. Now, after we enter the hostname, we're gonna have to enter the password, and basically that's all we have to do.